Hey you guys, so I'm in my series. I'm in the second week of my tutorial series. Last week you probably saw me do the Kind Master tutorial. Today we're gonna do another Canva tutorial. So I'm literally on my lunch break in the line at Wendy's, so please excuse any noise, but hey, when you have goals, you find time to do them. So let's get into it. So what I'm doing now is I'm making a YouTube thumbnail. What a thumbnail for YouTube is, like that first image you see when you go and you click on somebody's videos, or you are getting ready to watch someone's videos. So that's what I'll be making. I'm also providing, I guess, little social media tips for someone, and so I'm gonna be sending this to them first. So specific to them, they have a life coaching business, and so this will be something that would be great for like different quotes or different things that they want to post on their social media to draw their audience regarding like encouragement posts or stuff that they can do to enhance their life. This will be something that's great for them. So I'm using the mobile Canva, and I have a Samsung phone. So here we go. So on the, I think for specific for the person that I'm mentoring, or I guess helping out, I would just probably do where you see this Instagram post here. And what it does is it pretty much just gives you templates that you can use. You just literally click on one of these templates and just change it to whatever you want it to be. So here you can do it. And then put who this, whatever you want to put right here, Tiffany. And then you can change the photo if you want, replace, and put your own photo there. You can do it, and you just crop and space it how you want to do it. I really do find it better to navigate when you are using a PC. And I did another tutorial using a PC when I was doing my free shipping post. So this is just an example for that person. But for me, I'm going to be doing a like I said, a YouTube thumbnail. So here are some of the ones that I have done in the past. Let me see. Okay, so you go to designs down here at the bottom, and here are all of the designs that I created with using Canva. And here is one of my thumbnails that I've used. I have also I used one other one, but I think I copied over it by mistake. Here's one of my thumbnails. So yeah, as you can see, I use Canva a lot for my boutique and also for YouTube. Here's one that I've done using Canva. So this week we're gonna find another one to use, and I just literally type in the search bar YouTube thumbnail, and it gives you some templates to start off with. Today I am talking about inventory. Okay guys, so I'm back home. So let's go ahead and pick our template that we want to use for this thumbnail. So I'm covering inventory. So I really like this this one right here that says how to shop your, I can't see what that says because it's got the free in front of it, but I like that because it looks like clothes and we're talking about inventory. And then so what we also can do, something is wrong with my mobile Canva. It just keeps auto selecting stuff that I'm not selecting. So sorry about that. But I really think we're going to use that one. Now we could really use any of these and just edit the photos that we want to use. But why fix it if it's not broken? So we click that. And then we can do Tiff B. 5 things that no one told you about starting an online business. And then let's make that smaller, because as you see, so you go over to where it's got this 62, and you can either change it here by just deleting this section and we put 30, or you can toggle up and down to make it fit. So on this specific video, we talked about inventory, and so we can put inventory down here. And I kind of want to make that the inventory part a little bigger. Okay, and then also a good tip is you can see like use these little dots and these little lines to help you align everything and keep everything nice and neat. So I want it right dead in the center, and then I just went up there to that TIFF B. Maybe we can make that a little bigger as well. And I don't know about these little flowers right here, so I just clicked on it, and then I'm going to hit the trash can over here to the left hand side, and I'll do the same thing, the trash can, and delete that. And then let's also try to go and change the background color from this brown color, and the square where you see the same color that's associated with the template, you just click that and it gives you different colors that you can use. Or you can create your own colors, but I think let's just try some different ones out. Oh, this black is kind of sleek. I actually like the black. 5 things that no one told you about starting an online business. And then let's try to add like a line to separate the what our title is, and then inventory. And then also I want to make the online and business on the same line, so I just move that over using that. And then so to add our line, let's click it. Let's add. Okay, so that wasn't the button. I clicked the button to the far left, but that's actually the duplicate button. And so you see it duplicated the words. And all you have to do is click this button at the top, right beside the home button, and it'll take it away for you. So let's find the button that I do need. Okay, I think it's this big old gray plus sign that's right in my face. And let's do elements. And look, they have a line there for us. I want a skinny one. Or maybe we can do a dotted one. Let's see what this arrow looks like. Well, let's change the color from black. And let's change it to white. Or let's change it to the tan color to match. And then I want it to be a little shorter. And again, you see how that purple or pink looking line is helping me. But I really want it to be like dead in the center, not up so high. And this is where I say that using Canva on the computer is much easier. But as we all know, we always have our cell phones in our hand. So it's sometimes just easier to go on and grab the cell phone versus your laptop or go on your computer. So There. I think that's it. I like that. I'm scared to mess with it, but I want it to be a little more in the center, but I'm not going to worry about that. So what I do, I have my template, and the only thing we do now is just download it to our phone. I'm not going to download this because what I'm going to do is I'm going to log into my computer, and I'm going to make this my thumbnail, and I'll instead of screen sharing, I'll just hold my cell phone up to show you that process so that you can see, the finished process of everything. Sorry for having to do it this way, you guys, but I wanted to show you how I added that thumbnail. So I just went to Canva and I found this is how it looks on the desktop, by the way. And then I just went to all of my designs. I found the one that we had just created. And I downloaded it. And I downloaded it to the smallest one because sometimes YouTube is funny. So I did the JPG. And then, like I said, because it allows you to do it small. So then when it downloaded on my computer, I just went over to YouTube Studio. And I went under the details section. I think before you get to this, it's content. So you go to content. Again, this is YouTube Studio. You find the one and you want to go to the details. And then this is a space where it's going to ask you to do, to put your thumbnail. And you just literally go in and you just double click on it. And there you go. And then you just save up top. If we do decide later, like we want to post this on social media to let them know, you can still download it. And it hit this little download button and it downloads right to your phone. And then it also gives you the options to send it somewhere that you want to send it to. So that is how you create a Canva. And let's do one more. This is the one that I created as an example yesterday. I was trying to screen record, but it didn't work out on my computer. And so this is an example for the person who asked for my help, that, when I said they own their own life coaching business. This is an example I did for them. So you can just type literally anything that you want. And I said I'm gonna steal this one since I made it, because on my social media I have like a keep grinding type of thing. And the same thing, like if you wanted to add, say if you wanted that outline or that square to be a different shape or a different color, you just hit that check mark, you go into elements, and you can type in let's type in blue square. Oh, that kind of sparked me a little bit, that little splatter. Let's see what we can do with it. And then what we're going to do is we're going to send the splatter to the back. What that just means is we are going to have the wording be in the forefront. So we're going to do position and then backwards. And you see how I made the words on top? Now let's go in and do another thing. After we did that, now you see the words are still kind of hard to see. Let's go in and we just are picking our background right there. And we are going to make it kind of transparent. So we hit this where it looks like the little fading blocks. And we can kind of move that. And you see? And then if you want to, if you still are not satisfied with the wording, you can go in and try to make it, it doesn't give me the options to bold this particular one because of the font that we're using, but you can just use a bolder font, or You could pick one that you really like and see if it lets you bold it to make it kind of stand out a little bit more. And like I said, this particular font is not allowing you to, but, and then let's just say you did all of this and you're like, oh, I really don't like it. I like how I had it originally. You just keep going back, keep hitting that back arrow until it gets it back to the space that you liked it. And the same thing, you can do it forward. Oh, I like that, but you know, and just play with it like that. And that is pretty much Canva, guys. I mean, this is great for posting on social media. It's great for Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, TikTok. All of this can be used for everything. This can also be used for a TikTok background. You can go to the search bar and go to TikTok, and they have TikTok backgrounds already for you to use. This would be a good one. This one would be a really good one to use, but they have other ones that you can use as well. And as you all see, you can use this, like I said, for Instagram posts, Instagram stories, logos, business cards, thank you cards, posters, flyers, pretty much everything you can use this for. So t-shirt designs, I mean, it just goes on and on and on. So don't limit yourself. Don't feel like you have to always pay someone. This is something that you can absolutely do yourself. So just keep going, guys, in your business. And we'll do a TikTok tutorial next. So be on the lookout for that next week. Thank you guys so much, as always, for growing with me, for rocking with me, for following along with me on my process. And you guys just continue to kill it. Continue to be great. Keep grinding.